The overall goal of this analysis is to quantify phagosome velocity in HIV-1 infected macrophages using a simple manual tracking method.
The advantage of this protocol is to provide an easy method to calculate the relative movements of groups of objects within a cell that can be itself moving or deformed.
This method provides insight into the movement of phagosomes in GFP-positive infected macrophages, but it could be used for other intracellular compartments in fluorescently tagged cells.
After infecting human monocyte-derived macrophages and opsonizing sheep red blood cells according to the text protocol, set up a phagocytosis assay using a confocal imaging system such as a spinning disk microscope equipped with a heating chamber at 37 degrees Celsius with carbon dioxide. Prior to the experiment, turn on the heating chamber to heat the microscope stage to 37 degrees Celsius. Then turn on the microscope and computer and load the imaging software. Optimize the imaging settings such as scanning speed, magnification, resolution, etc. to have at least one cell per field and to image one frame every minute between 60 to 120 minutes. Place the imaging dish on the microscope stage. Adjust the focus and the location to find only one whole HIV-1 infected macrophage in the field. Use appropriate excitation and emission settings based on the used imaging system and probe. Include a bright field channel. Optimize its appearance by adjusting the exposure time. Next, remove the imaging dish.